I have a 50 megahertz wide modulated signal on the signal generator that I want to apply a frequency response slope to in order to test my receiver's equalizer capabilities. On the signal generator, go to RF, user correction, click on user correction data. We'll create a new user correction file named slope. We'll edit that file and we'll use the fill feature to automate the filling of this table. We'll fill the table from 0 to 11. We'll fill the frequency column. We'll start at 950 meg and end at 1050 meg and increment by 10 megahertz step size. We'll click on the fill button, and now let's go ahead and fill the correction value column. Start at 0 dB. The end value will be minus 5 dB if we use an increment of minus 0.5 dB. Let's go ahead and drop that down to negative 0.25 dB and click on the fill button. Close those dialogues, click on the save button, click on save only. Go to the IQ modulator block, digital predistortion, frequency response, the user-defined correction tab, check additional frequency response, go to the user data additional frequency response subtab, and we'll select the slope file that we just created. Make sure magnitude is enabled and click the apply button. On the data overview tab, we can see the frequency range that the correction is applicable over. Jumping back to the common tab, we can compensate for the absolute level and enable this user-defined frequency response correction. We can see the result on the FSW display here. We can see that there's a negative slope to that frequency response. Now let's go ahead and see what happens if we apply this slope twice with a half dB instead of a quarter dB step per 10 meg. Click on the apply button after we've added that twice. We can see it has twice the slope. Let's go ahead and demodulate this signal. First, turn off the user-defined correction so we have a flat spectrum. Open up the VSA channel that we've already configured. We have a 0.88% EVM, a good constellation, and we'll note that the frequency response magnitude and channel frequency response for the equalizer are both flat. Let's add the user-defined correction back on the signal generator. And we'll note the channel frequency response slope is represented in the equalizer's compensation here with a good EVM and a good constellation. Thanks for watching.